Work is an experience that almost every person engages in at some point during their lives. The practice of exchanging our time and labour for wages has existed for centuries and continues to endure as the most common means of sustaining one's lifestyle. Employment has the potential to shape our identity, well-being, and social class, and thus is an important field of research for sociologists, both past and present. The Industrial Revolution saw the emergence of the traditional working day and provided the foundations for the modern concept of work. It became routinized, and much took place in factories with abhorrent conditions. Karl Marx's fundamental assertion about the experience of work in the capitalist system was that it was alienating for workers. Its repetitive and often banal nature, in conjunction with the exploitation of workers for profit, produced a disconnect between individuals, their products, and themselves. Max Weber also provided important theories relating to the nature of work and the spirit of capitalism. Weber argued that the Protestant ethic of working hard to prevent straying from religious principles was consistent with capitalism and in some ways helped drive its ascendancy within Western society. This strong work ethic is still evident today and is encapsulated in the commonly used phrase, "time is money." Consequently, there is an increasing rationalization in the process of work, where profit serves as the key incentive. This is illustrated in the outsourcing of labour by transnational corporations to developing countries, where workers can be paid less. Similarities can be drawn between working conditions in overseas factories and those that Marx observed, with alienation being an obvious result. The replacement of human with non-human technologies can be seen as a manifestation of this process. By relying on automated machines instead of human employees, employers are provided with a greater level of control over the workplace and the products being produced. For example, self-serve checkouts have been gradually introduced into stores such as Big W, Kmart, Woolworths, and Coles. These machines are much more efficient than human workers, don't require supervision, and don't need to be paid. They are thus a more attractive option for employers. However, as this automation spreads, the skills of workers declines, and the number of jobs available to people in these sectors is diminished. We should thus consider the implications of these non-human technologies the next time we are provided with the choice of going self-serve.